All right, folks, welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely essential in this fast-paced world where everything seems to change at lightning speed. Let's talk about the skill of learning how to learn. In a world dominated by artificial intelligence and rapid technological advancements, the ability to adapt and thrive really hinges on how effectively we learn. And let's be real, does that sound a bit daunting or what?
Yeah, it totally does. I know we have to keep up, but how do we actually do that? It feels like there's just so much information everywhere.
Exactly. And that's where the concept of chunking comes into play. So chunking is like breaking down information into smaller, manageable pieces, right? Imagine trying to digest a massive pizza in one go. It's just way too much. But if you slice it, you can enjoy each piece without feeling overwhelmed. Makes sense, right?
Oh, wow. So if I had a pizza of knowledge, I should totally slice it into bite-sized pieces. That sounds kind of fun, but what about the repetition part you mentioned?
Great question. Repetition is essentially like reinforcing those pathways in our brain. Think of it as a workout for your memory. Just like building muscle takes repeated effort, strengthening your memory relies on revisiting and practicing that information. It's kind of like how musicians practice scales over and over until it feels natural.
Scales and chunking pizza. Interesting combo. But what if someone is constantly battling procrastination or feels overwhelmed with all the tech stuff? That's got to be a huge issue for Gen Z, right?
Absolutely. In fact, the pressure to perform can be totally paralyzing. Liu Tronghua, he really nailed that aspect. He emphasizes that not only do you have to learn, but you must also prioritize rest and recovery. Just like athletes need downtime to recover, students and professionals need it too to strengthen their memory and boost creativity. You can't run the marathon of learning without taking those breaks.
Sort of like how I binge watch a series, and then I need to take a break to absorb all the plot twists. But wait, what about sleep? How does that play a role?
Great insight. Sleep is crucial for solidifying what we've learned. Picture this. When you sleep, your brain is like a housekeeper, tidying up all that data and filing it away neatly for later use. Isn't that wild? You're literally processing and reinforcing what you've learned in your waking hours while you snooze.
Whoa, that's so cool. So if I pull an all-nighter to cram, I'm basically sabotaging my brain's housekeeping? What even is my life right now?
Exactly. And in this fast-evolving tech landscape, it's vital to stay adaptable. Those in tech, and really everyone, honestly, should embrace learning as a continuous journey. The ones who master the art of working alongside AI, who know how to leverage it rather than fear it, they'll be the ones who succeed.
That makes me think. So if we harness these skills, it's like having a power-up when we level up in a video game? It's super exciting to think about.
You bet. And those who can learn how to learn, like you just said, are going to crush it in their careers. It's all about navigating this new world, slaying the dragons of procrastination and overwhelm with strategic skills.
All right, I'm hooked. Let's keep going. What other skills should we focus on?
Well, another key skill is critical thinking. It's like the sword you wield to cut through all the noise and find clarity.
Critical thinking? Like being a detective in a mystery novel or something? That sounds intense.